Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. Now there are a few tricks that you can do to fix this problem. So first I'm going to head to settings and then I'm going to go to WhatsApp settings. So I'm going to scroll down and find WhatsApp and here it is. Now I'm going to go to its settings. Now if you don't find WhatsApp in the settings, then you can scroll all the way down and go to apps if you're using iOS 18. So after opening WhatsApp settings, go to notifications and then you should click on allow notifications. If your notifications is turned off, then you will not see any notifications for the WhatsApp calls. And also make sure that you have enabled sounds. Otherwise you will get notifications but it will not sound while it's ringing. So we are done here. Now let's go to WhatsApp. So I'm going to open WhatsApp right over here and then let's go to settings tab. Now from the settings tab, scroll down and go to notifications. Now in the notifications section, make sure that all of the notifications are enabled. So as you can see, I've disabled this notification, but make sure it's enabled. Then go to sounds and make sure that it's selected to anything except for none. Because if none is selected, then you will not have any sounds. So we're going to select a sound and then click on save. Now after following these two methods, your problem should be solved. But if your problem still persists, then let's go to settings again. So I'm going to head to settings again, and then I'm going to go to general this time. So let's head to general, and then go to background app refresh. Now from background app refresh, make sure that WhatsApp is ticked enabled, because if WhatsApp is disabled right over here, then your WhatsApp background will not be refreshed and it will not use mobile data or refresh in the background, thus it will not deliver the call to you. So make sure that it is enabled so that you can receive calls. Now there are two minor things to check too. Now first one is you should go here and check whether your do not disturb mode is turned on or off. As you can see, my do not disturb mode is on, so if this is turned on, I will not be receiving any WhatsApp calls. And the second is make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. My one is currently in silent mode, and if I disable the silent mode, you'll see that the silent mode is turned off. But if your silent mode is turned on, then you will not hear the calls because your phone is silent. So guys, if you found these methods helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.